In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your MetaMask secret phrase key. So let's get started. So in MetaMask, unfortunately, you can't directly change your MetaMask phrase key. Okay, you don't have, even if you create a new account within the MetaMask app or a MetaMask account, it will still bring you or show you the same phrase key. Okay, your secret phrase key. So what we can do this, the only workaround we have is we can try to do this by using any other platforms, like any other Ethereum platforms like Phantom, Trust Wallet, or something like that. So in this case, I will try to use Phantom. So what we're going to do is open up your Phantom. So for example, let me open up my Phantom and log into your Phantom wallet. Okay, so once you've logged into your Phantom wallet, click on your accounts option here, and then here try to add a new account. So click on the plus icon, add a new account, and then from here you can choose create new account. All right, and then give a name. So you can just give a name for it, hit on create. Okay, so once you're now on the new account that I just created, the third account, so what I'm going to do next is you should click on your account and then go to the account settings here, click on it, and then from here click on manage account and select the account that you just created, which is the account number 3. Click on it, and here you go to choose show recovery phase. Okay, and then you go to like authorize with your password, so just do that. So once you do that, you're going to click on here and then click on I understand, and then hit on continue, and then this is your recovery phase. Okay, so take your recovery phase, so you can now copy that. That's fine. Have you done it? And then now what we're going to do, go back to our MetaMask. Okay, go back to your MetaMask, log into your MetaMask account. So once you have logged into your MetaMask account here, so what we're going to do, click on the plus icon here, click on the accounts option here, and then hit add account. Okay, and then from here select the import, under import a wallet or account, select recovery phase, and then now paste the one that you just copied from your Phantom, just paste that and hit on import wallet. So when you import that wallet, in that way you'll be able to add a new wallet with a new secret phrase. So that secret phrase key will be different to your previous one. So in this way you will be able to change your secret phrase, and this is the workaround we have.